Hey guys, what's going on and welcome back to the channel. We are Snowball Stock Trading. We're about teaching you how to invest in high volume penny stocks. That's our specialty. We make investments based on volume. Let me show you kind of what that means again, guys. We do have the intro video up. This kind of goes over it. We also have, again, guys, this paper trades tab is a great tool. And there's a video explaining how to use this. It's a great tool to practice trading and not waste a lot of money in the beginning, especially since I don't have the watch list up. It'll be up soon, but let's kind of recap and let me kind of show you what we're talking about. Let's go to my portfolio. Okay, so let's go down to my penny stocks watch list. Let's scroll down. You want a healthy uptrend. Any of these in red isn't what we're looking at for today. It doesn't mean that we should just delete them off the watch list. It just means that we're not looking at it for tomorrow's plays. Okay, you see this 44% growth, but this was actually my play today. GSAT. Okay, guys, this one has a 28 to 30% growth for right now. Let's click on it. It has a good, healthy chart. This is a good thing. We have a good 15, 16-cent gain right now. So let's scroll down. Biggest thing we're going to look at is their average volume. So we want, by rule of thumb, the volume of today to kind of almost double, if not more than double, the average volume. So let's show more. So the volume is about 38 million to where it's normally 22. So it's not quite at the 44, but it is only up, halfway through the day. So it has time to do that. But this is one to keep in mind for the play today. This is kind of what we look at. You want to find one that kind of goes like that, has a good growth. Remember, we buy at the end of the day, so it will fall more normally by the end of the day. And the end of the day is going to be 3 p.m. Central Time. So that's kind of what we look for here. Okay, let's get back. So the whole point of today's video is we're going to show you our plays for the last 2 weeks. Okay, 12/28 through 1/7. Normally we're going to do 1 week, but I'm going to catch you up on the last 2 weeks. We had a great 2 weeks. So let's get right into it. So the 28th of December, BNGO, we gained $113 in profit. So let me show you guys this. Here you go. As you can see, BNGO, history 28th. So we bought in the 23rd right before Christmas and everything. We had that weekend. 28th was a Monday, and that one we took home $870.10. So this is where our profit lies between this, what we took home and what we invested, $113. That was a good starting day. This actually was the start of BNGO's climb towards $7, where it hit its peak so far. Had I actually been smart and done more of my research, especially having that weekend, but I was caught up with the holidays in catching why they went up, I would have known to kind of stay in. I actually ended up selling a little early. It grew a lot more this day, but again, we take the money that's on the table in front of us. We never know what it's going to do further on in the day. Okay, so then we have the 29th of December, BIOL. Let's look at that one. We took home $245 profit. So as you can see, BIOL. Okay, right here. Now again, when we went to sell, we had 1,500 shares, which means for every penny this moves, we make or lose $15. So right as I went to hit sell, sell all, and confirm, I lost another $15, which made me have a $245 profit. Still, that's a great profit, guys. It's one day, 245 bucks, couple minutes into the day. Now, the next day, 30th, GHSI. And remember, guys, as you can see, you see GHSI 3 times on this list in a 2-week span. Again, guys, this is why we don't buy a stock and hold it for future growth. Look how much money we've made on GHSI alone. So let's look at that. In these 2 weeks, we have GHSI 155 plus, again, 87 plus 93. So again, in all of its ups and downs for this 2-week span, we made 335. We would not have made that if we just held it till today. So again, keep that in mind. So here we go. GHSI, we made $155. Let's show you that one. Right here, as you can see, GHSI, we had 2,000 shares bought in at 38 cents practically, and we caught this little gain, $153. So it went up just a little bit more by the time I hit sell, so we're good on that. We took home a great profit for that day. Now, next day, Monday. So this is a Friday, and if these two stocks showed really good promise and really good volume, Mondays are normally bigger days because you have the whole weekend to sit, and a lot of people reinvest Monday morning. So I bought two. I thought these both looked good, so I invested into two stocks, AVGR, and I re-put into GHSI. I kind of caught the dip. I looked like they had good volume, so I wanted to keep that play going. So let's look at these. So we had AVGR right here, and we caught our little $116 gain. Okay, that's a good day, good Monday. It actually ended up going up a little bit more after I sold off, but I waited till it kind of hit this peak. Right as soon as it fell a cent, I sold out. I was happy with the $115 return on that day, and we took home that money. Okay, here's GHSI. As you can see, we had 2,000 shares at 42 cents, and we caught a little gain here. By the time I hit sell, it did go down just a little bit more. That does happen. There will be the videos, so you can actually see this number changing live on our Instagram channel for Snowball Stock Trading. Go follow us there. You can see the daily play, see what we make, and keep up. But right here, by the time I did end up selling on the 4th, it was $87. Okay, then the next day, so Tuesday, we had a great day. We love these days. $534 in profit. As you can see, guys, it went up even just a little bit more by the time I sold off. But we have ZOM and 512. I love when these stocks are this low. At 35 cents, we could practically buy 2,500 shares of it. And I did have 2,500. I was playing with one, just trying to see an experiment. But we had 2,500 shares at this price. We got away like bandits right here today, guys. So we made a ton. Now, this is the important thing. This was a loss. Okay, I normally don't like to sell out. I normally like to wait, but I didn't want my money tied up in a stock. Let's go ahead and just look at this stock. NAKD, Naked Brand. This stock right here, guys, let's look at their chart, month chart. This is not a very healthy chart. There's a lot of movement, ups and downs. That's not a good one. I kind of went against my gut here. It did kind of start to spike up a little bit, but guys, we really don't like this right when I invested in. Okay, so don't really try to play in this, try to catch this dip. Kind of didn't do very well. So guys, again, if this is the chart and this is kind of what it's looking like, don't really mess with this one. The volume has been actually really good, but again, guys, if it's not moving that much for this amount of volume, not a good stock to look into on trading on a daily basis. You might get stuck. So I decided to sell out, take a loss. It's okay because the next day we practically made it back. Okay, so GHSI, we practically made it back. I don't have the picture of this one, but I can show you guys here. Okay, as you see, you can catch the dips. It'll fall back down. I'm sure we'll reinvest in it soon. Right here, yeah, this volume is not good today. The average is 87. It's at 9. It is falling hard, and so we don't want anything to do with this right now. But this is what we're looking at right here, January 7th. So 1,500 shares purchased, and we have this right here. Okay, guys, so as you can see, this last 2 weeks were great for us. We had a total of $1,216 in profit, and we had about 121% return. I started with about 1,000 right here on the 28th to play with, and we made 1,216. So we had 121% return, guys. Great 2 weeks. Again, go check out the website. Go watch the videos. Okay, they're uploaded. They're live. They'll teach you what we're doing here. Go follow us on Instagram. Download this Excel spreadsheet and start trading along with us. And again, guys, we are Snowball Stock Trading. Keep it rolling. Keep the money coming. And have a great day.